Hey there! Let's dive into the world of pre-painted galvanized steel, also known as color-coated steel or color-coated plate. It's a pretty amazing material when you get to know it. First up, what exactly is it made of? Pre-painted galvanized steel or color-coated plate primarily consists of three main layers: the cold-rolled steel substrate, a galvanized layer, and the organic coating. The cold-rolled steel substrate can be categorized into high-strength and standard strength grades. The galvanized layer comes in different types, mainly galvanized GI Galvalume, a zinc aluminum alloy, and zinc-aluminum-magnesium. The organic coating is typically applied via a two-step roller coating process. Coating types are varied. Common ones include polyester PE, siliconized polyester SMP, high durability polyester HDP, and polyvinylidene fluoride PVDF, also known as fluorocarbon. There are also functional coatings like self-cleaning antistatic and antibacterial ones. Each component has its own specifications and performance characteristics, much like different members of a team, each with their own strengths. Now, let's talk about the production process. The production starts by loading the galvanized steel coil onto the entry section of a continuous processing line. The coil is then fed into a cleaning area where it undergoes degreasing and chemical treatment to ensure a perfectly clean surface. After cleaning, the strip moves into the coating section. Here, one or multiple layers of liquid paint are applied using a roller coating method. Following coating, the strip passes through a high-temperature oven where the paint is baked and cured. Upon exiting the oven, the panel is cooled to set the coating and improve flatness. The bare product is then formed. Subsequently, it may go through a recoiling process. During unloading, a looping pit might be used to maintain line speed and avoid damaging the strip. Once recoiling is complete, the finished product is ready. The entire process is like a fascinating journey, step by step transforming an ordinary steel coil into versatile, pre-painted, galvanized steel. Next, let's consider its performance characteristics. The performance requirements for color-coated steel are extensive. They include the material's mechanical properties such as tensile strength, yield strength, and elongation. The coating properties like the type of metallic coating, coating weight, and adhesion, and the paint properties including the type of resin, color, gloss, durability, and formability. Properties like wind resistance, impact resistance, snow load resistance, and seismic performance are related to the mechanical properties of the steel, as well as the profile of the corrugated sheet, steel thickness, span, and purlin spacing. Selecting the appropriate color-coated steel along with a suitable profiled sheet design can meet the safety factors of a building while also reducing construction costs. The material's durability, formability, and color retention are largely determined by the durability of the organic paint and metallic coatings. Its surface characteristics are also noteworthy. Color-coated steel, also known as pre-painted galvanized steel, is a composite product formed by applying paint onto a galvanized steel substrate beforehand. Unlike methods that involve painting after fabrication and assembly, it comes pre-finished. Since the early 1950s, it has been produced commercially on continuous production lines, gradually replacing galvanized steel in applications like roofing, wall panels, and roll-up doors. Due to its aesthetic appeal, cost-effectiveness, labor savings, and durability, the trend in steel use has evolved from cold-rolled steel to galvanized steel, and further to pre-painted steel. So, why is pre-painted galvanized steel often preferred over ordinary galvanized steel? Appearance: color-coated coils can be produced in a wide variety of colors and even patterns. For example, wood grain, meeting diverse architectural and design needs. Ordinary galvanized coils have a single, uniform bright silver gray appearance. Production process: color-coated coils utilize advanced coating technology. Organic paints are applied typically by roller coating and then baked and cured. Galvanized coils are produced by immersing the steel in a bath of molten zinc, which forms a zinc layer on the surface. Performance: color-coated coils offer excellent durability, corrosion resistance, and UV resistance. The organic paint layer provides an additional barrier that protects the substrate. Ordinary galvanized coils rely solely on the zinc layer for protection, which offers less overall protection compared to the painted system. Whereas pre-painted galvanized steel commonly used. It's widely used in construction for industrial plants, warehouses, large public buildings, and residential projects, serving as roofing, wall cladding, and decorative panels. It's also extensively used in the home appliance industry, for example, refrigerators, washing machines, transportation, for example, vehicle interiors, containers, packaging, and furniture. Ultimately, usage depends on client requirements, and products can often be customized. Finally, how do you choose the right pre-painted galvanized steel? Key factors to consider include the local snow and wind loads affecting the required mechanical strength and thickness, and the corrosive environment, which influences the choice of metallic coating, type, weight, and paint system. The wind and snow loads primarily relate to the building's safety factor. For instance, in highly corrosive environments like coastal or heavily polluted industrial areas, materials with heavier galvanized or galvalume coatings and high durability paints like HDP or PVDF are recommended. So, do you now have a deeper understanding of pre-painted galvanized steel?